In this video I will tell you 5 important points to destroy her ego. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and like in this video. Do you girl rejected you or don't give looks to you? So I will give you must extremely powerful tips to destroy her ego. 1. Pay a girl that is more beautiful than her to hang out with you in front of her, even kiss the hired girl if she allows ya. 2. Forget about her now but keep someone spying on her, so when you get rich and powerful you can easily ruin her ego, even her life if you want to. 3. If she humiliated you in public, pay her with the same coin, hire a handsome guy and pay him money, but befriend him first so he won't betray ya, and make him break her dead heart to pieces. 4. Pay a group of girls to bully her until she gets in trouble, works better if you are underage kids. 5. This is the most peaceful method. Become MGTOW, since you already must know the true behavior of human females. Just ignore skanks for now or forever. You don't need a woman for children. You can hire a womb of a pretty young girl of some poor European country to give you a child. It will cost a nut of money I guess, but it's the same result as neurotypical dating.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment in this video.